What you cannot do, what you cannot do does not exist. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hey, you guys, if you watched my video, the very first video for this year, you remember I sang a song this year. Now my year, hey, my year. You guys, welcome. You guys, you can see from the title alone, you guys already know that this video is just full of joy, happiness. You guys, I am so excited, I am so elated, I am so happy, I am so excited. So I have like a list of things that I want for my channel this year, you know, a list of things that I want for content creation. Like since this year I've not gotten anyone from the list of things that I wrote that I want for my channel. Okay, I've not been able to get anyone, and I was supposed to even get one self, and somebody now said, just relax, don't worry, I'll get it for you. I'm like, hey, and it's so painful, like it's so painful that the person doesn't want to be known, like the person doesn't want me to even say the gender, it doesn't want anybody to know who the person is. And I'm like, oh my goodness, thank you very much, I am so excited. You guys, if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Joan Theo. I'm based in Abuja, Nigeria. Please don't make this video your last, okay, by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell, because why not? So you guys, I am so excited. I was gifted, okay, should I even say the story of how I got this thing now? Okay, let me just give you guys the gist. Okay, so I usually go live every Saturday. I don't know if you've noticed, but I go live twice in a week. I'm trying to incorporate to make it 3 times in a week, but it has been difficult because I have a toddler, I have a baby, so it has really been difficult, you guys. I just quickly want to film this video because I told myself that today I must film this video. So on my live, there was a day I went live, the network was so bad, like it was so bad. Not hearing me, it was just hanging. I was so sad. So this person watched my live and reached out to somebody who knew me that, oh, I want to get her in my file. I'm like, WhatsApp, and the person was like, oh God, I'm so happy for you. See, this year is your year. So many things that was said that I cannot remember. I don't know want to say any gender. Okay, I just want to leave it plain like that so that the coders will not decode. So I was just like, what are you saying? The person just say, calm down, don't worry, tomorrow you see your package. I'm like, which package now? Which package are you talking about? Say, calm down, don't worry, just calm down. Myself calm. I was supposed to get the MiFi on Sunday. That was on a Saturday. So I now received another message that, oh, you know what, don't just buy that MiFi, just relax, hold on for a while, just chill, use that money to do on that thing. I'm like, my network here in my house is so terrible. I need to get this MiFi. If not, it's going to affect me. It's going to drain me emotionally. And I'm working on my channel this year. Like, I have a goal on this channel and that I really need to meet this year. And the person said, no worry, I know what I'm saying. You just relax. Use the money to do something else. And I said, okay, no problem, I've heard you. In my mind, I'm like, this person does not know what this person does not know what he's saying. No, I should do what I had in mind of, you know, getting the mic regardless of what the person said. Sunday morning, and I got another SMS. I'm like, okay, so you got a MiFi from somebody who wants to be anonymous. Person doesn't want you to know who the person is, but I was later told who the person was. I reached out to the person. You guys, chai. So that's enough of my ranting. So they went to the market. This God sent this miracle. What's the word now? This is my angel, my YouTube angel. This person that gifted me this is also a YouTuber. I wish I can put the person's name on the screen, but the person doesn't want to be known. Yeah. So this is it. This one is Ete. What the person got me. So this is it. I've not opened it. It's still sealed. Look at it. It's still sealed. I've not opened it yet, so I'm about to do that now. Look at it. Look at that. So this one is a it's 4G pocket Wi-Fi. Cool. Look at look at that. So I don't know how to do this. Oh, it has a charger. Okay. Does it have a battery? How do you on it? Okay. This is the power button. Can you see that? That's the power button there. So let's put it on. Let's see. It's not coming on. Yay! Oh, the SIM card is already inside. Okay. The SIM card is already inside. That's the same. There's no battery. That's why it didn't come on. Oh, this is the SIM card. Does it have a number? It does. It does. Okay. The battery. Let's open that. Open. Okay, let's try to on it. Let me close it first. Okay. Let's. Wow, it's on. Did you see that? Network is so strong. Okay, the network is so full. Why is it so full? Are you saying? What else? What else? What else? What else? That's the charger. Assume that you already have a cord, a head. So you just a charger head. So you just put the head, your cord there and plug. This is the manual. I'm going to read this one later. But normally Nigerians will not they read manual. But this one is a must. I'm going to read this one and understand how it's done. That's it basically for the for everything. So I need to go and register it with my NIN. My husband will help me do that tomorrow because so I'll go and do that tomorrow, so I'll start enjoying the gift, the free gift from God. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to this extent. I'll give a review definitely for you guys, maybe in a vlog. Okay, if it's something you should try to get, if the network is good, if it's reliable and all of that. Yeah, thank you very much to my giver. If you're watching this video, thank you so very much. I am really excited. I am so honored that you decided to give me this. I mean, there are so many things that I'm so honored. Honestly, I am so honored. I'm grateful. Thanks so much for the love. Thank you very much. Thanks guys for watching up to this extent. If you have watched down to this extent and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Give me a huge and a massive thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you have received a gift from somebody who doesn't want to be known. Let me know in the comment section. How did you feel? Were you excited about it? Were you sad that the person doesn't want people to know? Thanks so much, my loves, and I'll see you guys in my next one.